is, you guys. The Bay Area. I don't know how much this thing can zoom in on the bridge, but it's a clear day out there. Out here. I try to save all my footage for magnet fishing, but then I'll see so much stuff, I'm like, oh my goodness. I don't think you guys can see it like I can see it. But check out this BART train one time, and then I turn it on when we're magnet. Ooh, double BART train action. Yeah, you guys are on Oakland magnet fishing. Yeah, Mike, I'm out here. There's an old school BART train. They got new ones coming now. They're gonna phase them out, but don't trip. It's the Bay Area. They're probably gonna ride them old schools for a while. They'll probably even keep some. Anyway, there's graffiti, a lot going on. I'm gonna save my battery and turn it on when I get there. Yeah, I'll be back. Let's see if there's a cop here. Something, I knew it, y'all. I knew it, y'all. Take it down to 70, let this guy pass me up. See that? Tell me that ain't highway patrol. I mean, I can't really tell if that filmed it or not, but that's straight up highway patrol in a Charger. I'm telling you, I'm from here. And then you can take it back up to speeding. Alright. I might as well just let y'all see the town a little bit. They call Oakland a town, if you didn't know. They used to call it Oaktown. That's like, no one really says Oaktown anymore, but that's where the town comes from. Yeah, Oakland. And to be cool, you know, they were like from Oaktown. And then it just got dropped down to the town. Hey, this is Oakland magnet fishing. I'll tell y'all what I know about it. All right, I'm turning this off, and I'll be back when I'm back to the same spot, trying a new magnet. All right, Mike, I'm back in Oakland, California, here at Jack London Aquatic Center, and I'm about to go down here and try this new magnet out. It's a lot bigger. My rope's not tangled yet. I put some gum in there on both sides to plug it. I don't know if that's gonna, it probably will work as soon as it dries up. So let me recheck this magnet real quick. Let me check this camera real quick and make sure that zoom's not in. I'm not rocking with the zoom in this time. What it could see, it saw better, but I don't know, it wasn't seeing the whole picture, so it had to go. It wasn't seeing the whole picture. Then it was not part of the program anymore. All right, so the tide is up right now. So there's a jacket. Harris, it looks like, is that the casino? Or am I tripping? And I don't know, maybe a paint can down there. I know there's a shopping cart down here somewhere. So it's way up here today, and the boat is just chilling. I don't know, does it move up and down at all? I really couldn't tell you. That looks a little bit more open today. I don't know. There's always some type of activity going on here. I don't know if you guys can see the boat over there, but there's a bird on it. All right, I got this new magnet, 2600. Let's see what it can do. I'm just gonna let the camera run. And look, the bridge is like, man, that water's up right now. That bridge, it looks like I could throw it off a little bit easier. I mean, it's still gonna go the same length. Oh, and the other boat's in the water. The other boat is in the water. Man, good thing for that jumper cable. My keys are kind of in my way right now with the shorts on. I don't know if I'm gonna do any more edit. I don't know if I'm gonna edit. I think I'm just gonna let my camera run, and then you guys can watch it and I could just talk. And then if you want to watch, you can. If not, then that's cool. And you could just listen to me talk about random stuff, probably, because I'm just out here talking to myself. And it's kind of better than just being quiet the whole time. I feel like my brain is working a little bit better. All right, this is gonna stop someday, but I don't know. How is it gonna come and be tied? How is it gonna be tangled off top though? That was the first untie of it right there, and it's already tangled. Something's got to change with that. This got to already come off back here. This all got to change. I don't know, man. I would think that the straight off, the first untie, I wouldn't think it would be tangled like that. Something's gonna have to happen here. I think advancements have been made though, because I have this rope might be longer, which might not be an advancement, but it is one rope, so that might help me from losing my magnet in the future, or I don't know what that is, but it's in my way. It's trash, I'll throw it away. We got a lot bigger magnet here today, y'all. So the 2600, I'm gonna attach it to, now that I'm a little free. I did see some people make some type of reels, not like one you can like reel in, but one that's, man, I don't know about that actually. My keys are in there. That would go over. That'd be horrible. Nah, we're just gonna let the magnet go at that point. I could tie it to the dock if I want to too. I don't think I'm gonna throw it out that far, but this is how you learn. That's the first throw with the 2600. I'm jumping in straight after it. I'm gonna jump in straight after it. If I see I'll lose it, I'll throw the GoPro off and I'll just jump in. So yeah, I am here at the same spot again, but I want to test to see, like, I've been using that littler magnet. Now let's see, does this magnet work better in the same spot that I've been? Can I pull up something that I couldn't pull up before? This is all a test, y'all, and hopefully the channel, I don't know, will it get better or not? Probably not. It's probably gonna stay this, but will I find something? Who knows? But look, we're trying the new magnet here. I don't know if I can throw that one as far. Maybe I can at times. I will be able to, but at other times I might not be able to. Oh man, caught something down there, and it feels like I'm dragging now, so I probably have something. This one's a lot heavier, but there's also might be concrete down here, like the end of the boat ramp, but we'll see. I might have something on here because it feels like it got a light heavier, but maybe not. Still learning, y'all. That's what this is. This is all. I'm gonna go just right here with it. That thing goes down to the bottom, so it's all a learning experience, and we'll see if we catch something. My GoPro, it could go for like an hour, and maybe hour and 20 minutes until the battery goes out. So that's usually what I do. Probably I go until it goes out. I don't really feel like editing. Sometimes I do. I mean, I definitely do a little bit of editing, but I don't really want to watch myself do this a whole bunch of times when I just did the day. I just spent the day doing this. Okay, down there it looks like a washer, and that's what I'm trying to pick up, but I also have like a spark plug on there. All right, so let's just pull this up and get it off. And so hopefully I'm not zoomed in all the way this time. I try to aim this. I'm not gonna try to touch the camera, so hopefully it's going where I go. I try to point it. I try to lift this out so you guys can see stuff, but sometimes it just doesn't catch. So here I got a spark plug. I'm gonna have to clean up my keys later. I got a spark plug. It looks like some type of like a nut. That's like a castle nut and a washer. All right, a bunch of rocks. Oh, there's a hook there. So we got a spark plug. So I'll try for that washer in a little while. Let's drag this side again. And there's a beer truck out there. Stella Artois. I think that's how you say it, right? You're never too far from the life. Hey, y'all gotta send me something. Is this some type of commercial? They're like, that fool's doing magnet fishing. Run some trucks over there. Send me some beer or something. That's a new lick right there, though. Don't ask fools if you can advertise. Just run a truck right through. There it is. Send me some beer or money. And there, another one. C&L Produce, quality, service, value. All right. There we go. A little screw and a washer. I believe this big magnet, I mean, it's definitely stronger, and there's more area in the little nail there, I think. It's got more area. Let's try right down here. It's got more area, surface area, and it's a lot stronger. So I mean, do the math, I probably will catch more items. This one might grab some gun or something out of the mud. I still haven't found a gun, which I don't really expect to yet because I'm still practicing. Something big. Might be that shopping cart. Something big, but it came off. I think it's the shopping cart. I don't really want to catch the shopping cart. I mean, I would, but I don't know. It seems like I already know what it is. I'll get it up one of these days, maybe, so for the YouTube. But I know what it is, and I don't really need to get my magnet stuck. I'm not wet yet, and I'm not really planning to be wet at the moment. I'm gonna go throw that magnet out near that boat again sometime. I feel like there's someone in the boat now. Over on the other side, there's someone in the boat, and I feel like somehow the boat's not in the water anymore as much as it just was, or maybe my angle's bad, but there's for sure someone in that boat over there. So my bad if I was in here, if that's your spot and I was in there, my bad. Oh, I got caught. Got caught on the GoPro on my head here. All right, got a piece of a nail, some type of rock, 2 little nail pieces. Nothing to write home about. Yeah, I can't get it out as far, but I got some tricks up my sleeve. I don't have sleeves on right now. All right, I'm gonna take this GoPro off real quick and make sure the lens looks good. Back on my head you go. Mike out here. Hey, I say come out and do some magnet fishing. You get in the sun. I sleep so much better. I sleep so much better when I've been out here in the sun like this. It's for real. And I'm going to sleep early and I'm waking up early. There's someone for sure in that boat over there. I don't really know what's going on. I don't know if someone's like I think they're like pulling it out. That thing's moving. I'm not gonna lie, it's moving over there and someone's in it. I'm not really sure what's going on, but I'm gonna do magnet fishing. this magnet's a lot heavier than that other one. The other one was good, like you want to probably learn the basics so like you don't get caught if you lose it or something. This one's heavier, so it has the ability to go further, but at the same time it's a harder throw. But it's gonna be going off of items like that bridge at some point. But right now we're just doing a test and we're seeing, is it possible to catch an item that I couldn't catch with my other one. But this is gonna be like the cleanest boat ramp in Oakland. I'm not really feeling that. Y'all see that rope? It must have got caught on something already. That's crazy. Maybe it came like that, I don't know. Oh well, I think it works still. I was thinking this rope might be a little bit thin anyway. Maybe I'll get a bigger one. It's all part of the magnet fishing learning experience. So I've been filming it since I started, and this is probably what you can expect to go through. I'll probably get a bigger, I'm caught in that. I'll probably get a bigger magnet at some point. This one is a bigger magnet. What's crazy is like if you get into it, you're probably just gonna keep getting more stuff. So that sounds about right for some hobby, any hobby you might have. There's a little piece of metal, but not anything, and I'm caught. Nothing. I call that nothing really. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna let this thing run and just do what I'm doing. So yeah, there's a bed spring. Those bed springs are getting pretty close to the water. For anyone that scraps metal, if you're in Oakland, if you come when it's low tide, there's a heck of metal over there. I don't think that's anything, that's just a rock. And here comes the train, I hear it. Let me not get caught by this. Should've let it swing some more. So I'll get out there in a boat at some point, or a raft. I will. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna keep doing this because I like I said, I like the sun, the exercise. That's right, Amtrak. Let's see if we get it on. It knows it. It's like magnet fishing. Hit the horn one time for Oakland magnet fishing. Come on, Amtrak. There it is, you guys. So there it is. This is my magnet fishing practice spot. The first spot was Lake Temescal on the super duper practice. Little metal, that doesn't really count, but not going back in the water. So yeah, I'd like to see if this magnet can pull up something that I couldn't pull up before. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm gonna go some other places. There's something big right there. There's something caught on something right there. It might just be a little ledge or something. Something down there that's didn't really move. Let me try a two-handed, like a baseball bat. Oh yeah, there he is. There he goes. It's out there. That's pretty good. I think that's as far as I got out there so far with this magnet. I feel like I got something, but I say that a lot, so yeah, I don't know. Now it doesn't feel like anything now. So I've been saying it feels like some type of metal back right down there somewhere, but I don't know if it's metal that comes up. It might just be a pipe or something, like a big pipe. Who knows? It could be anything in this water right here. Oh yeah, I got something. I don't know. Two things maybe, or something that just broke. Oh, that looks like a, oh, this looks like a club or something. I think that's a club, like a, this, I don't know, or it could be a, like a car. I'm talking about like a car thing. I do not know. Well, there's that. It's not a gun. It could have been a gun. Look, huh? That's how you got to do it. That's how you got to do it for the photo thing. It was a real gun before it fell apart. All right, no, I don't know what it is. Not a gun. Screw. It could have been though. I mean, it wasn't, but that I'm saying that was the same size and condition, shape, kind of. And I didn't pick that up before. I definitely was throwing my magnet out here and I didn't pick it up. I mean, all right, something's right there, but it might be like a ledge or something, because it seems like I always get something right there, and then if whatever it is comes off. All right, we got some type of washer or clip. And this side, nothing. I like that baseball throw. Maybe I should go near the end too. Furthest possible results. Well, not really, but I didn't want it to pull it in with me. I mean, I feel like it got a little heavier. We're still learning. At some point, I'm gonna know exactly. I'm gonna be like, oh, it's something and it's this size. Yeah, that's a little nail. Looks like some type of something red that was red metal. What about this side? Nothing. Let's see if I could throw this out of my way. And if I could get a I might have to go throw this off the bridge and try to troll it some, or see how far it flies, but I don't know. It's all practice. I'm gonna get up there soon, and I'm definitely gonna get to some new spots soon. It's just, this is close enough to me where I could come here and do little tests. And so I'm still testing. These are my first videos. Maybe I'll figure this out at some point. I think that there's gonna be plenty of guns in here. Maybe not right here, but I'm saying Oakland or Richmond, San Francisco, Hayward. I mean, any city out here. However far I get, there's water alongside all them places. So there's a little washer and a little piece of metal and some rocks. All right, let's see. It just goes wherever it wants. If it wants to pick something up for us one of these times, it might. This all looks like metal pieces still, so I'm gonna throw them in. That one actually didn't. It might be though, because I don't know. Throw it away later. Yeah, there's like I know I keep saying the same thing. There's something down there, I don't know, but it goes on, it comes off. So maybe one of these days it'll get tired of being stuck in the mud or whatever. Now this magnet right here might pull stuff out of the mud. But that my last one, I'm not sure about it. Nothing. All right, we go right across here like always. So I like the dragging of it, because you can, it doesn't involve throwing it, and then the whole time it's dragging, it might pick something up. So I think docks are a good spot. Anywhere you could drag it, you just got to make sure it's on the bottom. And I can now tell that this one for sure is on the bottom because of the way it's heavy enough. That last one, I think it was going to the bottom sometimes, but not all the time. So I don't know. There's all types of magnets out there you can use, so you just got to figure out what works for you, you know. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to figure out which one works for me. I mean, you could probably go over the same. That's why I'm also trying that test. I know I keep saying the same thing probably, but I'm seeing like it might take 20 times to catch something that's been there the whole time. This is a test. A little hook. I feel like, I don't know what that is. I feel like I caught a nail or top of a nail or something on my magnet. Oh, look, there's a BB, I think. All right. So there seemed to be more stuff on this one, on this side. That other, there's docks out there. Like right there or something. I know I keep saying it because it keeps getting caught and then I'm able to pull off. So something down there that's either stuck, that's either belongs down there, or something really heavy that's not even ready to go. It's not gonna move anywhere. There's also like a dock over there. Like the last time I went there, there were some people there like smoking weed or something. I don't know. They were, I'm not tripping off of smoking weed, but I'm just saying, like, there were some people kicking it. So I wasn't trying to barge in on their good times, you know. They might not would have been on camera. Maybe they did, but I didn't really feel like explaining that I was magnet fishing and having a show go on at that moment. It was too early in the morning. All right, well, I do kind of want to go over there and check it out, because last time I didn't really get to. So let me go walk over there, and we'll see if I can throw this magnet off that dock, because I know people are probably tired of seeing this same spot. I mean, maybe it's just me. So everything's gonna get dirty and tangled now. All right. I think we done a pretty good job cleaning this spot. I mean, it's still dirty. There's way metal in there still. I knew it. I knew it, yo. All right, I'm gonna go over to this other dock, and I'm gonna turn it on when I get there. We're going not to one of those little side ones, but all the way back. All right, I'll be back, Mike. I'm out here. All right, I'm over here now. This is not where I'm going. These docks are private. I could go off the side here if I wanted. There's another dock over there, but that's like private too. But I could go off the side here. There's like a little piece of a dock that has floated over here. I don't know where it came from. Future magnet fishing. Free dock. So we'll see if we can get any spots out here. I mean, it's water all the way around. So there's more docks down there. I mean, I'm just searching, you feel me? It's all new to me. So there's dock. We're on this dock right here. It's water, and who knows, you catch anything probably. I don't know how far I could throw it. How you doing, man? Magnet fishing. See if I can catch some metal. So still learning the off the dock part. And it's tied again, of course. But that's a good way to get some of the line out here area. Just throw it in the water. That's the game. I gotta make a reel or something. God. Who has time for this? There we go. I don't know if there's gonna be any type of metal out here. I'm sure people throw stuff out. I think the docks are a better area. Uh-oh, no. Just sludge. Sludge. I think I might do if I get it to drag. That's interesting. That felt a little bit heavier. I don't know, it is easier to just pull it like this though. Hopefully it's on the bottom while it's going. I think it should be. It's heavy enough to be. Nah, this way maybe. Yep, caught on my foot. Well, at least it's a new spot. We'll see if it's even possible to catch anything here. Man, the pier is like falling apart. I think I better just come up where I'm at. I'm trying to just at least catch something off of here, so then I know it's possible. That always feels good to know. It's like, okay, something could be out here. You really don't, you might not believe it until you see it. I know I'm not. Nothing. Yeah, it's deep right there. Dang, there's a sign there and some tags on it. If you put your tag on that one, you went hard. It's funny to get this thing where you want to go with it. All right, a rock and another rock. Well, it does catch It'll catch something if it's there, maybe. Nah, I haven't. Not yet. I mean, over there I have. I found like a hammer and like some scissors and stuff like that. I'm trying new spots though. You feel me? Like docks are good because people drop stuff right over. But you know, if someone throws something in, it might come back. But on YouTube, there's like, I mean, I'm on YouTube, but I haven't found anything good yet. But there's people that find guns and stuff out there. It's crazy. I'm not gonna believe it till I see it. I mean, I believe they're in there, but I gotta see it to believe it first. But I just like to get some sun. It's nice out here. I see you out here, so you know what I'm talking about. Nah, nothing good. Yeah, if you look up Oakland magnet fishing, you'll find me. Maybe I'll find something good someday. What's that? Found some boats. There's 3 boats over there. I should be fishing. You feel me? I'm not that good at fishing though. I feel like I would just always drown the bait. Yeah. It's hard for me to do more than one thing at a time. I should have a pole. I should have a pole out and be doing this. Nah, I don't. I'm more like, I'd rather set like a trap or something. I feel like I never catch anything on a pole, you know? What's that? Yeah, for sure. All right, man, gonna go try some other spots. You have a good one, bro. I think I'm gonna go, I don't really know. Maybe I should go down there that way still. I think I might, because I've already been over here. I already been over there and I know it's over there. I'm not gonna lie, that looked quite interesting. Let's just see if it has a catalytic converter on it, because I know someone for sure stole mine. Someone's either removing the seats to live in it, or they're just removing stuff because you know how it goes in the town. That's way back there with Odyssey though. Then I'm gonna go down here. Now, this is just some random water right here. I think I could probably get out here and throw it. This seems like a place where someone might come here and throw something in. I really don't know. We're just trying random things here, y'all. I don't know if those docks are, if I go on those docks, those look like they got some real boats on them. It's a little bit difficult to throw. I mean, this magnet, I don't think, it's got more weight, so it's possible I could throw it farther, but I don't know. I gotta throw it out like that. Let's try to untangle this thing again. I'll put this up here so I won't lose that. These are areas where I don't know if I'm gonna find anything around here. I'm sure I probably won't. But it's some new scenery. So I might just do a couple little throws here and there, see if anything comes back. That looks like it could be metal, but it looks like too big for me to catch, and I'm really interested in metal. That's too big for me to catch. Nah, rocks. There's probably rocks out here that's gonna tangle me up. I'm not really interested in that. It doesn't look too bad down here. It's like real gravelly type rocks. There's not too many big ones sticking out. I think something's on there, but something little. Might get a bunch of screws and nails and stuff, or just rocks. I know that kid's like, what is going on here? I feel him. This is the first time he ever saw magnet fishing, I'm sure. He might be hooked forever. Rocks, nothing. Something feels like it's there, but like I said, it could just be a rock. It might got caught on a rock and I might have just pulled it up. Oh, there's a Honda over there on blocks. I guess we're gonna have to go walk by that and check it out. So definitely people are like abandoning cars down here and stripping them. I mean, someone seems like they're doing that right now, that Odyssey, but I can't call it. It might just be working on it. All right, I don't like this spot really. I mean, it's cool, but I guess I'm gonna go look at this abandoned vehicle, because it's Oakland magnet fishing. You don't just get magnet fishing, you also get possibly stolen vehicles. There's some metal right there. It looks like some type of, looks like they put that in there or someone dropped it off. Yeah, I don't really want to catch that. So there you go. They brought it right back behind here. Are you looking for your car? It might be it right there. It's on blocks. The wheels are gone. That's it right there. Didn't take that one though. I bet that catalytic converter's gone. What? Probably is. Yeah, it is. Well, that's a good spare on there still, unless it's flat. So there it is, someone's CRV. Tell them 4KYC 976. I find cars on Oakland, on my Oakland magnet fishing. I don't even find stuff out of the water. It's all sitting right next to the water. All right, got a little Cherokee. It looks like there's too many rocks right there. I'm not trying to get caught in anything. I think I'm gonna go down until I find some piers, but oh, there you go. Backwoods. If it ain't backwood, it ain't that good. Yes, it's Oakland, California. I'm gonna walk and I'm gonna turn this off for a second until I see if I can find something. I'll be, dang, with that magnet in there, that bucket's like hitting my leg and scratching me. That's gonna have to stop. Anyway, Mike, I'll be back. I need to clean this again.